PNP Chief Torre, sinibak sa pwesto.
So many things were said in the past days by other people. Pakinggan nyo na lang muna sila. I'm still composing my thoughts. I'm still composing my thoughts and I'll be making a statement in due time.
Ayan na nga, our good soldier and the very first PNPA graduate na naging PNP chief ay nasibak na sa pwesto over some honestly pretty petty stuff. Although hindi ko naman alam kung gaano ba talaga kabigat yung weight ng kanyang mga ginawang kind of grandstanding at hindi pagsunod kay BBM and NAPOLCOM. Apparently, PNP Chief Torre overextended at unauthorized na nag-reshuffle, nag-demote at did reassignments dahil dapat daw may say ang NAPOLCOM sa pamumuno ni DILG Secretary Remulla sa kanyang mga appointments at reshuffling na ginagawa.
With the recent developments, the President was presented with the facts and he determined that the best course of action is to uphold the role of NAPOLCOM as it was intended by law.
They reinstated among others sina Police Lieutenant General Jose Nartates, his second command, at Bernard Banac matapos ang balasahan at demotion na naganap. Isa si Nartates sa mga tinalunan ng ranggo ni dating 2-star CIDG Chief Buerabaste even said na pinaboran siya dahil maraming natulanan o mas senior ang ranggo kaysa kay Torre para maging PNP Chief. Kumbaga, yung PIO nyo naging presidente agad, inappoint as the president. Even with PNP Chief Torre firing back na si Bato de la Rosa nga, 1-star general, naging 4-star general sa panahon ni FPRRT, so he can't really say anything about Torre jumping ranks.
Rewind lang ng konti sa termino naman ng tatay niya kung sino unang Chief PNP. Okay? So, ano rango ng unang Chief PNP at ano rango ko bago ako naging Chief PNP. So, it really goes back to him, really. Seriously speaking, it goes back to him. Okay? The first Chief PNP of his father is a 1-star na naging automatic 4-star. Did he ask that? Did he question that?
Kaya sinabi ni Baste na pabor-pabor lang ang appointment ni Torre aside from the fact na 2-star lang naman talaga si Torre nung siya ay tumalon sa pagkaposisyon ng 4-star general at hindi naman ganon yung gawi. Na-appoint din si Torre dahil siya ang nag-lead ng pag-aresto kay Quiboloy at ang pag-surrender kay former President Rodrigo Duterte sa Interpol in their coordination sa ICC warrant as the CIDG chief. 85 days lang